mysterious ways. By the way, I'm writing a story. Do you wanna read it when I finish it? Oh yeah, sure. Are you? Are you will upload in your channel? Bad boy, I love dog. Hello, bad boy. Good evening, bad boy. Thanks for joining. Hi, Mike Tina. Thanks for joining, mom. Welcome, welcome to my live. How are you, Mom Tina? Hello, bad boy. How are you? Thank you for joining. Go run, baby. Thank you for bringing that. Thank you so much. It is about an influencer named Mariana and her stalker. The story is kinda creepy and story name is The Silent Lens. Oh, wow, nice. That's good. Keep it up. Hi, Namasaya. Hi, Golden Lady. Yes, I'm here. Hello, Namasaya. Good morning. How are you? Tamsak. Thank you for Tamsak. Thank you so much. You know what? You know now what is Tamsak, yeah? You're already good in Tagalog. Oh, I told you don't sit under the tree. Words only. It's okay, at least you know how to speak na. You know some words, then it's okay, that's fine. I hope to become an author as my partner time. Shall I become a doctor? Oh wow. Very good. That is very nice. Miss Lexi, that is very nice plan or what do you call that? Ambition. Hi, namasaya. Hi, Mr. Riti. Mr. Roti. It wasn't Lexi. Last time, we thought that she was Lexi, but I think not. She's different. It was amazing. Oh yeah, that is very nice. Dr. Lexi. Dr. Lexi. Yeah, Golden, she was very lady. Golden lady. Young. Yeah. So she's not. Hold me close. Yes, I know, right?